Welcome to the PFD Performance YouTube channel. Pretty friggin' deadly.
Well, never fails. Mad scramble. I'm behind on video editing. You guys probably won't see this for a day or two, but I'll try and get some stuff up so you see it. Because we're in the middle of getting ready for World of Wheels, which is next weekend. We move in on Thursday. Today is Saturday. But our buddies over at Epic, Sam, helped us out with getting some parts cut out for our hitch. So we got a brace plate in the back. Got some outside plates, some inside plates. I'll tell you where we're at with the other one, kind of in its final state before we get to welding. You got a receiver that we'll modify and a big old chunky hunk of tube. So we're trying to avoid being those guys where the trailer falls off because the hitch breaks. Maybe we'll be a little overkill, maybe not. We'll see. So here's kind of the final configuration. These holes go through the body. These holes we're going to use to plug weld. We'll weld her up along the top side here. And that should make it nice and strong. I have a nice, like almost 12-inch length of weld to the chassis tube. And then we'll weld to the other existing plate that's in the car. So we got 1/4 inch here. Flange is 3/16. We're gonna go with 1/2 inch bolts. So we should be plenty strong. So I'll just take you over the back of the car here. Got some interesting bodywork. Just a little bit of filler. And a little bit more filler. And a little bit more filler. So the plate is gonna sit back here. You can see my little hand. We'll have these little standoffs. They'll poke through. And then the outside plates will sandwich nice and tight. So our hitch is super strong for towing, as well as giving the old whoa bag out the back. So the parachute is gonna mount to the hitch. We'll have the launcher up off the receiver so it pops the parachute out, but then the actual tether of the parachute will use the hitch bar for. So yeah, that's the game plan. We got the dash back together. That seat is mounted. This seat's next. I can't really say under the hood since it's out of the hood. You'll see our throttle blades are missing. Got a nice little detail that we're gonna surprise you with. So that's gotta go in. And lastly, we gotta drill the couple holes to mount our air filter. So that'll button things up under here. That'll get the back end done. That'll get the seats done. And we should be good to go for moving the car into the car show on Thursday. So if I can, I'll maybe try and scramble to get some editing done tonight, tomorrow, and then try and pop a video up so you guys can see the mad scramble. That's gonna do it for this little clip here. I don't think you need to see me struggle with a drill or, you know, take the old die grinder back and forth 62 times. So maybe I'll time lapse you once I start welding these plates in. But for now, I better just get at her. So catch you later. Captain's log. Here to report some progress has been made. You'll see here, there is a drinker's seat and a captain's seat. So it's got seats. I'd be lying if I said they're permanently installed, but they're installed good enough for the car show. And we still got to pull them out to do the seam sealer on all of the seams.
All the everywhere.
Yeah. And swap out some hardware for some good grade 8 bolts and tweak the seat belts and get a couple things sorted out. So that's a win. Over here, I'll show you how the brackets turned out. So you got 2 holes that we'll weld from around there, and then we'll weld this top edge. Down here, you can see we got these standoffs. And I'll take you over here to show you putting this one in. Now, I think this might be its last install. So I'll grab the clamp here. And another clamp. And now you can see right here is where those two standoffs sit. And I'll show you. This we'll have to drill some holes in, but that's gonna sit like that behind the bumper. This will sit just inside where the bumper lives, and then the hitch will go between the two. And it should look pretty A-okay. So I'm gonna do the really scary thing and get the MIG welder out and try and get that melted in. And if I need to phone a friend, I'll phone a friend, but feeling pretty confident. I had the MIG set up earlier, and I mean, there's only one way to find out. I'll get to it and we'll show you how it goes.
I think he could go back to more zhuzh.
More zhuzh?
Yeah.
Well, and it's on this smart setting. I don't know how smart is the smart. How about 400? It's a nice round number.
Because if you like look at that one tack there, see how it's like bridged between?
Yeah.
That one's better.
Yeah.
That could if you like stick your head in and look at this one,
yeah, that could
you can see it's actually like getting the full thickness of the plate.
Yeah.
So I think it could go a little back to whatever setting you had it on before.
Okay.
We're professional welders.
100%.
Yep.
Know exactly what I'm doing.
Just stay. Find a spot with the least amount of body work for it to stick to. Because there's no filler back here. She's all metal. Oh, is that what that was?
Yep. Turn it down.
No, I just wouldn't.
I mean, to fill the tube hole.
Yeah, I'll fill the hole.
That's what she said.
I've blown a hole or two in metal. Usually it's on like new cars with really, 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 really thin metal.
Yeah.
So if I can fill those, I can fill that.
Alright, well, I'll move a little quicker then.
Yeah, or just
Less uppy, more downy.
no, don't like stagger your welds more. Like don't weld as much. Nope. Hello. Okay, give her have a cold snack and let that thing cool down a bit. I saw a guy on a YouTube machine. He said, always have snacks when you're welding. Weld a little bit, have a snack.
Yeah?
Wait. Weld a little bit, have a snack.
Yeah, I think that
It's just operator error.
holds that. Yeah, I think I was just a little bit too much
On the uppity up?
uppity up.
Yeah.
And then it just was like, hiya!
That's okay. Do we have anything we can put on the back windshield? Yeah, let's do that. I'm staring at a tiny little piece of slag just chilling on the glass. Everything's fine. Yeah. Angle of attack. This is way easier. I got that hole zipped up. Are you finding welding from down here easier too?
Yes.
Yeah. So now she should go real smooth. And then tomorrow is a little hiya. Hiya. Houdini. I'm helping. Oh, that nailed it. Besides, I can't reach up there anyways.
Okay, you come hold this side?
Hang on. Oh, my tippies. Yeah. How much overhang you got?
To the, like, over the tire, yeah.
Okay, we'll take it more. Just another excuse to paint it. Yeah, and then just fold it back, kind of. Real. Yeah. 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 Sure. This part right here is why people are gonna watch.
See if it holds the first time the parachute launches?
Yeah. We'll go back to this moment. You didn't wire brush it good enough.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Riveting content.
Yeah,
I'm up high.
that needs a little love.
Okay.
And when we launch the parachute the first time, and it slows down for a second and then stops slowing down, well, no, it wasn't good enough.
Yeah.
I really don't think that's going to be an issue.
I don't think so either.
Okay. Oh, yeah, there's
Oh yeah, because we still got the big old back piece to go on it too.
this guy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I'd have to like pull through the whole back of the car.
Mm-hmm. And we have confirmed there is metal under all of that filler.
A little bit, except for the one spot with the lot.
Yeah.
Like one spot's twice as thick as the others, but the others have 4 times the Bondo.
It's a race car.
There's like a really distinct smell when you've got a hot drill bit in filler.
Mm-hmm.
Still smell it.
I can taste it.
Cool. Well, should be one more go, and that side will be zip zappity dude.
Yeah. Call her an evening.
And then we could start tomorrow with that side once that side's cool, so you're not melting the mullet to the plate as you weld the other one. Because then you got the mix of burnt hair, hot metal,
Burnt filler.
hot filler. It's just 2 is enough, 3 is too many.
Yeah. 2 cancels out.
Yeah.
The third one's just off. Also like this little whatever's going on with that little plug weld.
That's the reverse light.
Yeah. That's the one that had a couple chunks of wire sticking out of it.
Yeah, there's a MIG wire pulling through.
Uh-huh. It's fine. It's proper.
Totally.
Well, we're one step closer to finishing off the hitch and getting the car ready for the show. In the next video, we'll finish it up and show you how things turn out. Thanks for watching, and stay deadly.